So let's face it, YouTube is a place where a lot of negativity may come. And my philosophy is simple. I don't waste my time on the trolls. I spend my time answering my community and people that really want to get information. So I just ignore them. But there are some filters that you could put in place to help you kind of filter that out so you really don't have to deal with those comments, right? And I try to keep here the channel family friendly so anybody may watch my videos in front of the children and things like that as well. But welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you could be notified when I post videos. So here we are in the Content Creator Tool channel here in the back end, right? And you're going to go here to the left, and here down it's going to say settings. So make sure you click right there, and you're going to come to this page right here. So from here, go ahead and click in this community tab that you're going to see right here. And you're going to see a couple different things. First, you go add people that can help you, kind of filter some of those comments. And if you see here, these are users that can remove comments. So what's going to happen is that essentially, as you build your channel, you're going to meet great people. And as you meet those great people that are a great support of the channel, you could give those people permissions, people that share the same values that you do. So when you see that guy that you go like, all right, this person is really square away. I really love the value that he brings into the channel. You could kind of click on the name and you could add it up to this list. Because let's face it, you may not have the time, so it's good to have those kind of people. Here you're going to have approved users, and in here you can kind of do something similar. Comments from these users are automatically published and won't be filtered for block links, right? Block words or potentially inappropriate comments. So again, if you trust on a specific amount of people, you could put their names in there, their channel name, and they may be able to post whatever, right? Make sure you trust those people, no doubt about this. I like this one right here, hidden users. If you click here, comments on the light shot message of this user won't show up. I think this is pretty cool because it's not really blocking. The person can potentially watch in some kind of way. He may think that he's putting comments, but the comments are not showing up, right? So it may take several days to remove assistant comments on a live chat message, right? All right, let me come down here. This is kind of what I want to show you right here. Block words, right? So here you could write some of the things that you may think that you don't want to accept in your channel. So a lot of the cursing, you could write it here. So again, go ahead and click here and, use your imagination and type every single cursing word that you may think. And again, once somebody curse, it's going to go into a review pile and those comments are not going to show. You can also block links, which is really important because you know what? You guys probably seen this. A lot of people come into YouTube and they try to advertise their sites. Some of those sites may not be something that you want to advertise because it doesn't meet your values or whatever. So again, if you block that, that's actually very, very good. And let me do that here on my channel. And here we are in the comments on the Content Creator Tool channel, and I just want to show you something right here. If you go right here, obviously publish, but if you see this helpful review, so again, if you put any words or anything in those settings that I just showed you, it's going to show here. From here, you can obviously click on the comment and you can approve the comment or you can continue to deny the comments, right? Comments are removed after 60 days. So every now and then you could click here and you can approve whatever comments you have, right? And again, publish comments, you can see it right here. Also, I wanted to put this as a bonus. If you click right here, it kind of gives you some ability to filter some of the comments as well. You can kind of see this publish subscribers count. As you can see, there is a filter here. I have not responded, but if I click in here, you're gonna see some comments that I responded already. You can see this one that I responded right here, right? So YouTube already implements some filters. When you start replying to comments, they kind of take those comments out of the way for your comment section to be a little bit clean and you could be a little bit faster and more productive answering comments. Now, I'm going to address this because somebody's going to say something about it. Sometimes people say like, well, you can't restrict my comment. I could write whatever I want in the comments. That's not okay, right? People come here to watch videos. People come here to enjoy themselves, to be educated and all that. We should not allow people to bully or harass other people in the comments, right? This is my house. I take control of my house and I'm just not going to allow people to come here and harass my audience. So it's totally okay for you to, block somebody, hide somebody, erase their comments, because again, you're trying to have a good audience, a good community, a place where people are learning. And there's some people out there, maybe you watching, that just want to come here and harass others. That's not okay. Really, that's not okay. And that's one of the reasons why you need to take control all your comments. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.